How to change your account location, country, or region on Roblox in 2026. And I'll be honest, Roblox doesn't always let you manually switch it instantly. Most of the time, it updates automatically, and if it doesn't, you'll need to contact support the right way. Let's do it. First, open the Roblox app and tap More, then go into Settings. If you're on the website, click the gear icon and choose Settings. Now, open Account Info and scroll until you see Account Location. Here's the important part. Roblox usually updates your location automatically based on where you're signing in from. So if you recently moved countries, your location can change after you log in normally for a few sessions. If your location is suddenly wrong, there are two common reasons. 1. You used a VPN while signing in. 2. Someone else signed into your account from another location. So before we try anything else, lock your account down. Go back to your account settings and make sure your email and phone number are added and correct, and that you still have access to your email. Then, change your password immediately. And if you want the safest setup, turn on two-step verification so this doesn't happen again. Now, if your location still doesn't update automatically after a few sessions, you'll need to request the change through Roblox support. Do this on the Roblox website. Sign in, then click the gear icon at the top. Go to Help and Safety, then open the Help Center. In the search box, type Account Location and open the result that says Account Location. Scroll down until you see a line that says something like, "Need more help? Contact support here." Click that. Now you'll fill out the support form. Enter your username, enter your email address, preferably the one linked to your Roblox account, then enter it again to confirm. Next, choose your device type. Pick whatever you usually play Roblox on. Then, under Type of Help category, choose How To. Now for the key step. In the Help subcategory option, select How To Change My Location. In the message box, explain your situation clearly. You can write something like, "Hi Roblox support, my account location is showing the wrong country or region. I'm currently in your country, and I'd like my account location updated. I'm not using a VPN." And if you think someone accessed your account, be direct. "My account location changed unexpectedly. I suspect unauthorized access. I've reset my password and enabled two-step verification. Please help confirm and correct my account location." Then hit Continue. After that, Roblox support should email you back, usually within a few days, telling you what they need to verify and what they can change. And that's the real way to fix Roblox account location in 2026. Check account location, let it auto-update, secure your account if it looks suspicious, and if it doesn't update, send the correct request to support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.